So next time you decide, should I put a door bumper on the door? Before you decide that, look at everything. Decide, hey, if there's a mark against the wall, can you live with something like that? They also have those round things that you can put up. You know, if you had a depression into the sheetrock, you really didn't want to patch it. They've got those round things. They're 6 inches in diameter, 7 or 8 inches, and there's different colors. They got a white one, they got an off-white one, and it's self-adhesive on the back, and it's this heavy plastic deal, and it's only about 1/4 inch or 3/16 thick, and you would glue it. It's got self-adhesive on it. You just push it onto the wall, but then you're going to see that. But if it's in a bathroom or something and you don't want to patch it, you go down to the hardware store and find one of those. They don't cost very much, $4 or $5. You can fix it that way. But in this case, because it's in a wide open room, we're going to see it. This is what we decided to do. You can even take wall bumpers, door bumpers. If you don't want it on the door, I've seen some people, they'll screw this over here and have the door hit it. But then when the door is closed, this is always sticking out into your room. And, you know, when's the last time you tripped on a door bumper like this right next to a door? Probably never. You're more likely to trip on it if it's over here, okay? But in any case, you can get wall bumpers different colors, you can get door bumpers different colors. I've seen these gold. I've also seen these anodized bronze. Okay, so look at the hardware store and specifically try to get the flexible ones if you're going to end up using a spring-loaded door bumper such as this. They have them this same diameter all the way up, but then they also have these that are big. They also have one that's a little bit longer than this that looks exactly like this, and I ended up using one of those. In fact, I have to go to the store and get another one of those to put it behind the door where it bangs up against another door inside the house from the garage into the hallway. So I've still got to get one of those. And they, you know, they also have these stiff with the threaded deal that's already there. Don't use those. They're not flexible. They snap off. They break off if you step on it or accidentally hit it. They break off, and then you've got the threaded bit inside your door, and you're like, okay, how am I going to cover that with the next one? You know, then I would suggest getting one like this, screwing this on there. This is the kind, and the screw just happens to be inside of there. And these are very simple. You might think, okay, how are you going to do that, Joe? Well, this thing comes off. See, this part screws into the door. Boom. See how it's got the little hole in the side? Right there. Then, see, this is just a curlicue thing. So you take it, you put it in there. After you screw this part to the door, you take this, line it up, and just tighten it up with your hands. What you're doing is you're just tightening and adding more of that circle in there until you can't tighten it any further, and that's what's going to hold it. And this was nice and stiff. I like using these. Okay, but so you're getting a little of door bumpers and wall door bumpers. That's a wall bumper right there. Okay, and then you've got the door bumper, and then you also have the hinge stop, the hinge door stop, which I showed you before. We could have put those on there. But for something like this, you would never want to do that. Why would you want to do that? Just put it there. But if we would have put something over there, it wouldn't have helped this little indentation in the wall. And if you don't like the wall bumpers, hey, you don't have to use them. Use something else. Do a different way. So I've given you a few different ways to do this and a few different ways to install it. If you do have to install a plastic anchor, maybe you've learned something on that as well. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.